Osaka, we are now exploring Kyoto with a day trip to Nara. Kyoto is 30 minutes to 1-hour train ride from Osaka, and as easy as it may sound, pero naligaw pa rin kami. Nakatatlong sakay kami ng train bago kami nakarating ng Kyoto Station. So if you don't want to get lost like we did, go to Osaka Station. Then doon na kayo sumakay pa Kyoto Station. And although naligaw kami, I find those moments as an opportunity to see what Japanese daily lives looks like.
Game begin.
Ayun o, Kyoto.
Game over.
Sarap maligaw. We stayed at M's Hotel, Kyoto Tayura. It's 15 minutes walk from Kyoto Station. Binook namin ito kasi mura and naisip ko, 15 minutes walk doesn't sound bad, right? But the reality slaps me so hard. Ang hirap pagtulak ng bagahe, plus obstacle pa sa daan. Kaya I really do highly recommend that if you are looking for accommodation, dapat near lang siya sa train station. And here's our room, surprisingly spacious with enough space for our luggage. Without feeling cramped, mayroon ding kettle and mini fridge. We arrived late kaya sa malapit na convenience store na lang kami bumili for our dinner. Today will be a jam-packed itinerary as we want to explore some major tourist spots around Kyoto. Late na kami nagising and we don't want to start the day exploring full of crowds. So yeah, pikit mata na lang tayo mamaya sa bayan. We supposed to drop off at the temple, but since may language barrier, kaya si kuya sa ibang lugar kami binaba. Thankfully, medyo walking distance na lang siya. And this is Hokkanji Temple, also known as Yakasa Pagoda. This beloved 5-story Buddhist tower dates back to the 6th century and it's a prominent landmark in Kyoto. After our coffee fix, we are now heading to Kiyomizu-dera. Kiyomizu-dera Temple is one of the most famous Buddhist temple in Kyoto. There's a popular Japanese saying, to jump off stage of Kiyomizu. It means to make a bold decision and take a plunge. Since before, people believe once you jump onto the 43 main hall temple balcony and not die, your wish would come true. Yep, that's true. But they're not doing that anymore. As much as we want to try some of the food stalls in front of Kiyomizu-dera, that day was something extra. Sobrang dami ng tao and pila sa mga kainan. So we decided to move to our next destination, Fushimi Inari. Before we enter Fushimi Inari, nag-lunch muna kami dito sa mga street foods. We tried the Wagyu worth 6,000 yen. Yes, sobrang mahal niya compare sa na-try natin sa Osaka. We also tried the viral 10 yen cheese coin. Ma cheese, pero sakto lang ang lasa niya to my liking. Today, Fushimi Inari is one of the most iconic Shinto shrine in Japan. Dedicated to Inari, the Shinto god of rice. The shrine is famous for its 1,000 torii gates that form winding pathway up to the sacred Mount Inari. And it could take 2 to 3 hours to hike depending on your pacing. We are hoping na sana maikot namin ng buo ang Fushimi Inari, ngunit tinablan na rin kami ng pagod. So we walk further enough hanggang sa wala nang masyadong tao. After Fushimi Inari, our next stop supposed to be Nishiki Market. But since hindi pa naman kami ganun kagutom and pagod na rin maglakad, we decided to just sit and relax at Kamo River, which is just few walks from Nishiki Market. This is our last full day in Kyoto and we are going to Arashiyama Bamboo and Nara Park. We woke up super early and hop on a bus bound for Arashiyama. Para sa mismong entrance na ng Bamboo Forest ang baba natin. Honestly, I'm not a morning person, but I find this morning walk such a breeze to start the day. It's like watching the town slowly waking up. We are planned to get our coffee at Arabica, but pa-opening pa lang sobrang haba na ng pila. Gladly, we found this cafe named Bread Espresso and Arashiyama Garden, a bakery and a cafe located within Arashiyama area. This is old traditional Japanese house that has turned into a cafe. We sit on a traditional tatami floor. The food is great and freshly baked on tinapay. And nasarapan naman kami sa in-order naming kape. And this is us na tumatakbo para maabutan yung train papunta sa Kyoto Station. And now we are heading to our next destination, Nara Park.
お待たせいたしました。普通電車の京都行きです。
I've seen a lot of videos being traumatized by how deer in Nara Park can be aggressive when they know you have deer crackers. So we came up with a plan where we look for a lone deer or two and start there. Marami pang maaaring puntahan sa Nara, but we decided to just enjoy the rest of the afternoon sitting on a bench and being in the moment.